Hi, me again. If you don't know me, I'm Jules with Studio Jules Art on Etsy. Earlier, I mentioned about my little handmade sewing bags, and I have these in different colors, and I've got one in a smaller size, but most of them are this size. I do have one or two that are larger, but I just wanted to show you all that you can put in one of these as a Christmas gift for someone that you know that sews. First up, the 1/4 inch ruler. It's called Add a Quarter. This is my favorite tool, as you will see right here in my studio when I'm paper piecing. Even when I'm not paper piecing, when I need to know what a 1/4 inch measures, I grab this. So you can put one of these in. You can also put in the double-ended seam fix, double-sided seam ripper. It has a stronger end and a more delicate end, depending on what you're ripping out, which we don't like to do. In this, you can also fit the 4.5 inch Tula Pink ruler, fussy cut ruler. You can also fit in a couple of the Olfa 45 millimeter replacement blades. We all have to replace our rotary blades. It's a must. Some of my other favorites are the Class A needles. I've got these in a couple of different sizes. These are the 9014 medium strength. And then hand needles, because we all have to do some hand work every once in a while. And these are long. My fingers are fat. I can't handle the short end needles. I also have the self-threading needles, which these are a staple in my stash, because when you're burying threads, when you're quilting and you've got to bury a thread, those are the needles you want. And then everyone knows, who knows me, I love to paper piece. So here is the triangles, half square triangles. And this one is the 2.5 inch squares. I love these by Sew Emma. These are wonderful. These are wonderful. I have used these quite a bit. And then always Metler silk finish thread. It is one of my favorites. I only really use Metler in my machine. Every once in a while I'll grab a older spool of Aurifil that I still have if I want to do something. I have several spools that are variegated. Couldn't think of the word. But anyway, I'll grab a spool of variegated, especially if it's my favorite color, and use it. So I just wanted to hop on real quick and let y'all know that these are available and ready for you. So I'm going to kind of leave these out on my table because I have a feeling somebody's going to get in the shop and purchase some of these today. So don't forget, paper piecing made easy with triangles on a roll. And then use your 1/4 inch. Yes, 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 yes. Okay, if you have any questions, let me know. Send me an email, message down below. I'll answer your questions. I'm going to be on the computer the rest of the day. I'm not going to sew, so the rest of the day I'm made some headway on what I'm working on. But I want to do some computer work this afternoon and snuggle with my dog. So anyway, y'all have a great afternoon. See ya.